I'm Mr. Yemisa Kazim Abiodun. I'm here to treat a topic known as circle geometry 1. And the topic before us, which is circle geometry 1, we're going to know some definitions. And the definition of terms that I'm going to be talking about today is 1. The circumference of a circle, 2. A chord, 3. A diameter, and 4. A radius. What do we mean by the circumference? The circumference is the length of the edges of a circle. That is, if I have a circle in this form, if this is a circle, the length of this circle is known as what? The circumference. That is, this is the circumference of my head. This is the circumference of my hand. So the length of the edge of the circle is known as what? The circumference. Now, once we know the length, once we know the circumference, then we go to the definition of what? Of a chord. What do we mean by a chord? A chord is a straight line that is joining any 2 points of the circumference of a circle together, but does not pass it through the center of a circle. What do we mean by that? If I have a straight line like this, and it's joining 2 points, any 2 points of the circumference of the circle, and this is the center of the circle. Since it's a straight line, and it's joining any 2 points of circumference of the circle together, that line we call a chord. The line we call a chord. It can also be in this form. Let's assume I have a circle like this. If the circle, then I have a center like this. And I also have a straight line that is joining 2 points or any 2 points of the circumference of a circle together. Once it's a straight line and the line does not pass through the center of the circle, then that line is known as what? A chord. A chord will cause 2 problems. A chord will cause 2 problems. The first one is that a chord will divide circle into major arc. Major arc. I mean, this place is known as arc. Major arc, and minor arc. Major arc and a minor arc. At the same time, you can see this one too. If I have a chord like this, if this is a chord, this is a major arc, and this one as well, a minor arc. Also, chord will divide circle into what's known as what? Major segment. This is known as segment. All these things is known as what? Segment. Major segment and the what? Minor segment. Major segment and the minor segment. Also, I said this is a chord. Then if this is a chord, then this is going to be what? A major segment. And all this will be what? A minor segment. What I'm trying to tell you is that having a straight line, and that straight line is joining any 2 points of circumference of the circle together without passing through the center of the circle. That line is known as a chord. Then I said the chord will divide circle into major arc, minor arc, and the major segment and a minor segment. When we are dealing with inside, we are dealing with segment. When we are dealing with circumference, we are dealing with arc. Another definition that I'm going to talk about here is known as a diameter. But what is the meaning of a diameter? A diameter is a straight line. A straight line that is also joining any 2 points of the circumference together. But this line is passing through the center of the circle. If this is the center of this circle, then I have a line like this. Then this line is known as what? A diameter. Reason, because it's a straight line that is joining any 2 points of the circumference of a circle. Then the line passes through the center of the circle. Some definitions, some people will define it as diameter is also a chord. But some type of chord is a line. Some type of chord is a chord that is passes through the center of a circle. Then when we say something is passing through the center of the circle, it shows it's going to divide circle into 2 equal parts. That is what we are talking about, is that when you have a straight line that is passing through the center of anything, and majorly when I deal with a straight line that is passing through the center of the circle, that straight line will divide that thing into 2 equal parts. That straight line will divide that thing into 2 equal parts. That is why we are saying the diameter is a line that is what? Divide the circle into 2 equal parts. A radius radius is a line, it's also a line that is coming from the center of the circle to any point of the circumference of the circle. You see a straight line coming from the center of the circle to meet the circumference of a circle. Then it's known as what? A radius. It's known as what? A radius. And that's the reason why, if I have to come back here, a line from this place to this place is a radius, a line from this place to this place is a radius, and that is why we derive our diameter to be 2 r. So that by the time we divide both sides by 2, then we are going to see our r is diameter divided by 2. Our diameter is, our radius is diameter divided by 2. Having known all these definitions, then we now move to theorem in the circle geometry. Let me repeat before we end this video. I said circumference is the length of the edge of a circumference of a circle. Then I said the chord is a straight line that is joining any 2 points of the circumference of the circle but does not pass through the center of the circle. While the diameter is a straight line that is joining any 2 points of the circumference of the circle together or passes through the center of the circle. And the radius is a line from the center of the circle to any point on the circumference of a circle. And don't forget that I said a chord will divide circle into minor arc and a major arc. At the same time, it's going to divide circle into minor segments and a major segment. And I've explained also that the diameter will divide circle into 2 equal parts. So what we are saying is that when we have a circle like this, if this is a circle, this can be a chord. If this is a chord, then the line that passes the center is known as what? A diameter. This is diameter. This is a chord. The diameter, and this what? It's known as what? A radius. A radius. So by the grace of God, in the next video, we move to what is known as theorem 1. Thank you. Wish you best of luck. I still being my own self, Innocent Kasim, a pure mathematics guy. Thank you.